Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Again, we're showing you the great things that have come in and out of the shop. But before we talk about this, we want you to go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel and watch some of the things that we restore and send something that you have that we could restore. Get it out of the attic and bring it down. So here is what we call one of the coolest music boxes, one of the best made and most valuable ones that we have seen at our shop. It is 1880s, and it has severe marquetry and veneer damage, and it has kind of an arched top this way, and it's also crowned in the middle. So it has two arches to the top, and you can see that this trim is missing, this trim is broken. We have a lot of, let's say, satinwood, and then there's burled elm, and the elm has become very loose. It was in the attic, and you can see the handmade hardware, casted brass. And then let's take a look on the inside. So as we lift the lid here, we can see that the hinges are completely detached, and so that needs repair. We have massive veneer repair here on the inside where the underside of the trim has come loose. Fortunately, we still do have all the brass hinges that need some repair. And so I'm going to set the lid here while we show you what the drum looks like. Here is the glass door lift pull, and you can see how many times. We believe that this plays 3 songs. We've had our professional music box technician take a look at it. He said it plays 3 songs. It's a unique one because there's no gap between the 2 drums, so it'll shift and play the second and the third song just automatically. And it's going to need some repair there too. It's actually moving, but it needs some tine repair, some tine replacement, and then also some other adjustments to get it to work right. This is a pretty valuable piece. We estimate somewhere in the $15,000 to $20,000 value. Obviously right now with its in bad shape, it's probably not worth that. But our own music technician said that he would like to buy it if the customer wants to sell it. So you can see that anybody who knows what they are talking about with music boxes, this is one of the top of the line pieces. So watch for this. We hope to get approval from the customer to do a full restoration. Quite a budget it will take. So we're hoping that that customer will be inspired and take it out of the attic, get it restored, and then put it somewhere on display. So let's see how sentimental they are and watch for the second video. Thanks for watching. Well, we just got approval on this music box. We're so excited that the customer has the amount of sentimental value, the history, and the customer even described it as, we have a legend about this piece, and it comes from family. It was her grandmother's, and then it was in the attic, and then it was in the basement. So we just had a meeting with the customer, and they decided, well, let's go for it. Let's repair everything, all the technical and all of the veneers and all the patterns and all the trim work. So quite a project. So watch for this one to come along. We'll be showing you updated videos along the way of major repairs. Thanks again.